or watching TV, and she was really lazy. She was like useless girl in the house. One day, Jiffy was crying. Her mommy asked, "Why are you crying, Jiffy?" Jiffy left away, giving no answer to mommy. That was not really nice. Mommy was not happy about Jiffy because she never helped her in the house. Do you help your mommies in the house? No, said who? You said no? Why no? She doesn't deserve that? What? Why? What? Aha, you look like Jiffy. I can understand now very well that we have a little bit of Jiffy around. Well, Jiffy was never helping her mom, and Mama wants to clean the room. So she said, "Jiffy, can you please step out of your room? Go find somebody of your friends to play with." When Jiffy left the house, she was walking in the forest, and she heard that sound. What kind of animal make that sound?
Bee.
Was a bee. Her friend bee was working. Do you know what bees are doing? What bees are doing?